Today, my sister and her kids, they're checking in the Disneyland Hotel, and we're gonna go check it out hotel. Let's go. Let's check out Disney Hotel. And so when you walk into the hotel, the left is the lobby where you check in, and then the elevator go to rooms over there, and on the right there's a Fantasia shop of Disneyland, and then they have some kind of LED. You can see the, what is that? Dumbbells flying, and then there's Treasure Island, Paris Caribbean. And there's elephant. Tomorrowland. Oh, this is so magical. And Tinkerbell's right here. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. Oh, wait a minute. This is only Disneyland. Where's the California Adventures not on the map? This is the hotel, Disney Hotel. So magical. Okay, let's go find my sister. So there's a mini Disney store here. You can buy stuff. The way to make more money here. Let's go find my sister, see if they're here. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
What are you looking for?
We're just looking. Show Jojo the slippers you're gonna get.
Buy a new slipper? Show me.
So
Tell me who's this from?
Belle,
Belle.
Cinderella, Jasmine, Tiana, Snow White, Aurora， 还有那个Ariel, Rapunzel, Mulan, 还有 Moana. So
Wow, you got them all.
we think this is Mulan. We're gonna double check.
Yes, I think so. What's this?
这个吗？
Uh-huh.
是 Snow Queen Elsa,
Elsa. 那她嘞?
Anna.
Anna. Who do you like better?
Elsa, Anna. 我都喜欢。
You like them all? Oh. Before we even check in the room, we already shop. It's so dangerous. Okay, let's go check it. This is the pool right here. Oh, are you gonna go? Yeah, are you gonna go swim later? Yes. So we're in the Frontier building. Oh, so it's the theme of a Frontier here. So cool. There's a lot of Mickey in the room. Can you find them?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And that's a new start.
第三个。
第三个, there's so many. Wow, look at the room.
这个。第五个。
So I've been studying. The reason why this is hideout, you can put your luggage beneath there. I actually studied from other YouTuber. And then they changed the headboard for the Magic Castle. Look how pretty is that.
第九个。
第九个.
第十个。
Do you want to see JoJo do magic? So I saw this on the other YouTuber do this. Hopefully it worked. 看这边. 3. Whoa! It's a bed! JoJo 厉不厉害? High five! Oh, so good! YouTube video. Yay! This is the bathroom.
It is magic.
It is magic. It's definitely cozy. And then using Disney Resort H2O collection for the shower gel, soap. Oh, I love this. They have a Mickey ear here and a Mickey's hand here. Look, what's that?
Mickey.
More Mickey. Mickey hand. Wow, so many Mickey everywhere. Can you show me where do you... Here. What else? Where do you see Mickey now in here?
There.
Where? Oh my God, you're right. Where else do you see Mickey?
There.
There's one more there. Okay, there should be one more around there. You see it somewhere?
Yes, over there.
Over there. Wow, there's so many Mickey here. So cool, huh? Okay, let's just open this. Mickey is everywhere.
Mickey is everywhere.
Oh, look! Mickey! Everywhere. Wow. You should show Mommy how many Mickey is in the room later on. So this is the view. Oh, you guys should go to play that.
I know. Yeah, I think we will go to the pool today then. 因为我看到那个 Look, there's a Minnie Mouse jacuzzi.
Oh, wait, did you see Mickey garden?
Oh, yeah, Mickey or Minnie? Mickey.
There's a Mickey.
It is Mickey. I see it.
You see, Mickey is everywhere.
She's already going.
Yeah. Wow. You know, I like the light there. It looks like some kind of special light.
I can see all Disney.
Yes. Oh, there's a Matterhorn there. See that on the right? And then Tomorrowland is there. JoJo's house is back there. We should. You should ask. So the fireworks should be that way tonight.
Oh, so we can see it from our room.
You can see
then
fireworks.
We don't have to go. We don't have to stay really late.
You want to show us what's in there, Miss Emmeline? What's that? What do
冰箱.
冰箱 refrigerator. We're doing Chinese class. Oh, sorry. Oh, there's nothing in there. Okay. Daddy will do magic later, fill this up. Okay, what else is in here?
这个只是抽屉，这个只是抽屉，
Nothing. Okay.
都是抽屉。
都是抽屉。
好，最后一个抽屉。
Let me try one more. Okay. 抽屉。
把这个放在这里面呢。
Okay. Oh, 他们真有这个 charger. USB charger is good. I kind of like the wood floor in the elevator area. It's kind of cute. And the decoration is all related to Frontierland here. Even the photo there. Very cute. Too bad the star doesn't light up. That would be even more amazing. Oh, by the way, because they don't do room service right now, but you can order food from downtown Disney. So as soon as you walk into the Frontier Tower, on the right hand side there's a fitness center. Let's go take a look what's going on there. Oh, it's big and nobody is here. I wonder if they have free bottled water. Oh no, they don't. They have a free fountain water. Lighter. Okay, today's Sunday. There's a lot of people here. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and check it out, and hopefully will be less people tomorrow. Let's walk out of here. Feels like I'm on vacation, even though I live very nearby. It feels so good here. Oh my gosh, love this place. Okay, so I'm back to Disney Hotel. My sister and the family went to the park, and I'm here to kind of pick out their luggage. But now we want to do something really, really cool. Let's see how many Mickey Mouse you can find in the hotel room. Let's go check it out. You won't believe this. Okay, so when you first walk into the room, you see carpet. So it's the firework carpet with a star. And then obviously you can very noticeably see there's a Mickey Mouse ear right there. So that's number one. You notice something here? Oh, Mickey Mouse ear. See, people don't even realize that there's so many, like, what do you call that? Hidden Easter egg thing. So when you come to the bathroom, I just kind of realized this. It's almost like a Mickey Mouse ear too. Right? Oh my god. And then handle, it's a Mickey Mouse ear handle. Okay, I think I'm gonna miss something here. You'll see the lamp shape here. There's a Mickey Mouse and there's Mickey hands. And then I just noticed that the sink, Mickey Mouse ear. Did I miss anything here? Let's see the wallpaper. No, wallpaper is the same. Okay, so now we're moving to the main bedroom now. First thing first, you will see lane shape. There's also Mickey ear. Let's see where else you can find Mickey ears. Where are they? On the pillows. Let me show you guys. The lighting is so bad. It's so bright here. Can you see it? Mickey ear. And in the bed sheet, obviously it's prints with a Mickey ear. Alright, what else? Then curtain also have a Mickey ear. No, it's just a start. Scandal. There's no Mickey ear on the curtain. That's weird. Okay, what else? I'm trying to look. It's like a treasure hunt here. I think when kids come here, they can even count how many Mickey ears is in the hotel room. That would be so awesome to keep the kids busy, right? Firework. So beautiful. I can just sit here drinking coffee and just listen to this all day. So relaxed. Okay, so I'm in the pool now and let's see what I have for offer. The menu. There's some margaritas, beer, wine, not alcohol drink. Maybe I'll get something like this. And then there's more drink here. And when you turn around, here are the poolside food. So they told me that the kitchen here is the same kitchen as the Trader Sam. So it's basically the same food. So I think we're gonna order a couple of really cool things here. Let's see. I'm gonna ask the waitress here what's popular. Okay, so the food is here. Because they told me that there's only one kitchen. So this is the same kitchen from the Trader Sam. This is the crusted long bean for $10. That's a lot. And this is the sweet and spicy chicken wing for $17. It comes with aioli sauce right here. And I ordered the non-alcoholic drink. And what is this? Lava smoothie. Lava smoothie is with a raspberry puree with coconut and pineapple. Oh, this is the life. Let's try it now. It's already cold. It just arrived. I don't know why. Put some spicy aioli here. It's good flavor. A little bit salty. Let me show you guys my view. Chicken wing is good. Salty, sweet, tender. But the flavor is a little bit too salty though. I think they're meant to be eat with the alcohol. Try to drink now. It's good. Yummy. Alright guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. I will appreciate it if you subscribe my YouTube channel if you like the videos. And I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye!